Hello, I'm trying to show you how to make a pentagon without using straight edge or protractor, right, or a ruler. So the way I'm going to start that is I'm going to make a cube, 1,000 by 1,000, and so I go like this. Start it out by making a cube. So right here I'm going to put 1,000, comma, 1,000. Okay, and I'm going to turn that over and I'll make it a cube. So I'll just come over here and I'll go up 1,000, right? Okay, we'll leave that one alone. So what I'll do is I'll take this guy here and we'll make a nice copy of this. Okay, and I'll get rid of this one. I don't leave this here. Okay, then I can make a copy of this and move it over. Get it far enough out of the way. Okay, and then I'll come back here. And for now, I don't need this. So I could just erase the box. I'll just keep the floor mat. Okay, there we go. I just connect it back up. That's 1,000. Good. And so now, I'm just looking straight down this way. So I'm going to put this and center it. So I'll make a group out of it, right? And then I'll move it. I can use this to center it as best I can eyeball it like that, and I'll move it right here. Okay. Now we'll use the golden, make a golden ratio. So if that's 1, we need to make it go out to 1.618. And the way to do that is that we start out with I don't think I need to, let's explode it. Okay, now I'm going to go one line here. Okay, and then one line here, and then rotate it. And now we'll rotate this down the main diagonal, make a copy of it, and rotate it all the way over to here. And that doesn't look good. Let me see. That doesn't look like it's hitting right on the corner, does it? Okay, so then we go right here. Okay, now I can cycle this over that part there. So I just go like that and make a copy of it. Okay, and there we go. Okay. Now I take this piece over here, which is this is 1, and that's 0.618, which is the golden triangle. Then I'll just take this guy, yep, and then I'll rotate it 90 degrees. Like this. There we go. And I don't see it at all. So I'll try it again. And there we go. Okay. Now all we have to do is connect this line across to make us a rectangle where we have 1 and 1.61. So now I'll clean this up. I don't need this stuff. Okay. Alright, that's good. I don't really need that either. Okay, so there's a nice golden ratio rectangle. It should be 1 by 1.618. Okay, we can check it just to make sure, but this is the way of doing it without having to use any of that. That's 618, right? And that one is 1.618. Okay, that's the key. So I'll make a group out of this. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'll move it, center it. So that I'm going to center right about there. Yeah, and there we go. Now I'll twirl it. So this is 1. Okay, and I'll go like that, and I'll go like this. Okay, and then I'll twirl that. It's 90 degrees again. There we go. Alright, and then I'll twirl this one time. Right here. So I'll go right in the middle. Okay, and I'll make a copy and they're like this. Okay, and then I'll go up here and twirl it. That's easy enough, huh? I just need to twirl it right. Yeah. So here we go. There we go. And there we go. Okay, so now all I need to do is bring in my cube. So, and what I'm going to do with this cube is I'll mark the center point, which is right here, right? And then I'll go to the center point, here to here, okay? And I can do the same thing here. Okay, and then there we go, that's nice. And then I'll move one here, here. Okay, and I'll do one inside. It's probably a little bit of overkill, but that's okay. And I'll come over here and I'll get rid of this wall. Erase, okay. And I'll make a group of this. Now, before I do that, I'm going to have to connect my center point. So that would be, okay. So the center point would be from here down. So I'll go to the center point here, right? And then I would just follow this guy down to the blue axis. Then I go over here and I get this guy. And I come up through here. And there we go. Okay. Now all I gotta do is center it on the other thing. So now I'm gonna hide. I'm gonna take this mid, I'll put this as a group. And then I'll put this guy here, right? And start moving along. Over here. Over here. Alright, and we'll get into here. And okay. So let's see, what side was open? It's sealed up. Erase, okay. Oh well, that's top one's open. So I have to grab this guy right here. You see where it's at, where they all meet? Right here. And then I'm going to take that and put it down in the center, right? I'll show you. Let me move it a little bit. Oh. Let me go back because I didn't make a group out of it, I guess. I thought I made a group out of it. No. That is weird. Okay. So now I'll make a group. And then I'll grab it here at the intersection. Like right here, right? And then I'll just move it across over here till I can get into right into this point, right? There. See how it's centered? There. Now we're ready to do a Pentagon, I think. And here we go. So now we're going to see if we can make a shape. So I'm going to go from here to here, to here, to here, to here. There we have it. That looks pretty good. Let's try it again. Here, 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 and here. See that? Pretty cool, pretty cool. And we know we have 12 for does, 2, deca is 10, that adds up to 12. So we'll go down to here, right? We'll go up here, we'll go up like this. And we'll do an across of that. Yeah. Let's go across. Yeah. Oh. Didn't work from here to here for some reason. Huh. Oh, maybe I needed that point. Yeah, that's why. I don't think I need this diagonal here, do I? Let's get rid of it. Good. Looks like a little house, huh? wonder if you could do a dodecahedron house. That'd be pretty cool. I think it could be strong. Let's see. So let me go from here to here, from here to here, here to here. All right. And I can probably get rid of this guy here. All right. Now we're going to get our dodecahedron here. All you got to do is go from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here. There we go. Now we can try this guy from here to here. Good. And go from here to here. Good. And we'll get rid of these two here. No problem. Then what I'll do is just hide it. You can hide your mistakes. Oops. I don't want that. Okay. So I'll hide these. Hide. Okay. Go here. Okay. Now there we go. Now what I'm going to do is just complete this dodecahedron, but we already have our pentagons. So that's pretty much it. And I'll go from here to here, and then from here to here, and then from here to here, and then we'll go from here to here. Close it up. Okay, and I'll just hide these two so it doesn't look so ugly. Let's see. I can flip that, I think. Reverse face. There we go. Okay. And now you get the idea, right? And so I'll just quickly finish it up because we're almost done anyway. So there we go. From here to here. And from here to here. See? And then from here all the way to here. That didn't help, did it? That did. And that did. Okay, and there we have this. Okay. And we're about done. There are 12 of them. So we go from here to here, from here to here, here to here, from here to here, from here to here. There we go. And then we go from here to here. Yep. And from here to here. Okay, then we go from here to here. We go here to here. And from here to here. Yep, and we'll go over to here. Okay, that's why. I did the wrong spot. It happens a lot. Okay. Alright. And we'll erase, or hide. And that's almost done. Here's another one here. Oh, like this one. And there you have it, right? There you have it. Now we can start cleaning some stuff up here so it looks better. So what I'll do is, well, first I'll finish this pentagon here. So I'll go like this to here, and then up to here, see it? Then down here I can go from here to here, right? And from here to here, over here, right? And back again, and then my diagonal. There we go. And then we go from here to here, and we go from here to here, and then from here to here. Alright, so that's good. And we just have these two more things to do. Kind of weird. Go from here to here. There we go. And then let's go from here to here. There you go. Okay. Now, let's get rid of some of this stuff here, because I don't need it. I'm going to make this, I'm going to hide this for a second. Okay, and then what I want to do is get rid of the guts for now. That's one. That's the cube. Okay, and then this is the main verticals. And I'll erase that, and then I'll erase this, and I'll erase this. And I think that's it. Huh? Yeah. So here we go. Da-da-da-da. And now I can do like this. And I finished my dodecahedron, right? We'll just go from here to here and see what happens. And go from here to here and see what happens. Okay, and I'll hide this. Now I can hide all of these. See that? Oops. And I'll hide it all. There we go. And you can reverse face that. And reverse face that. Okay. Looks pretty good. And I can take this one, this one, this one, this one. Hide them all. There you go. Okay, that's good. And look at that. It's pretty neat to do here. So any one of these would work great. Now let's take a Pentagon. Let's see how good a job we did. So I'll put that one over here. And then I'll look for this guy here. Okay, and we'll make a copy of that. Okay, and then over here what we'll do is make it a group. Okay, make a group. Alright, now let's take a look, see where we're at with this. Alright, so let's see if I can get in the middle of it. That's right here. Oh, I see. Well, let's just get on this red axis right here. And then I'll move this guy out of the way. Oops. And make a group out of it. Okay, and let's move it out of the way. Now, let me just get it out of the way for now. Okay. And this, I don't need this thing back here. I don't know where it was. Okay, and then this guy here, let's go back to it. And let's just straighten it out a little bit. So what I'm going to do is turn this one 90 degrees. Like that. Alright, let's check it out. That looks pretty cool. I don't need that one at all. Okay. Then I can take this guy over here and we'll put it right in the corner here. So I'll get this thing and move it over to here. And there it is. That's pretty good, actually. Let's see what that measurement looks like. See how good of a kind of a pentagon it is. So I'll put here my measuring tape. So let's see if we got equal sides. So that's 6.18, right? And that's 6.17.7. Pretty good. I mean, for errors, you know, you have a little bit of them. So now from this one is 6.18 and 6.18. See that? That's pretty good. That's a pretty good triangle. I'm going to look at it. It seems like it's straight up or no. Let's see. Yeah. It might be slightly forward. Let's see if we can clean that up a little bit. So now I'll go like this. You know what? I'll take this guy and I'll explode. Then I'll regroup and it'll be referenced like I want it. So now I'm going to go here. Let me close in and go into this point right here. I need to be on the red axis. There we go. And then I need this guy to go this way. No, I didn't need this. There. Let me get rid of this guy. I made a copy, but I really didn't need a copy. Alright, that should be, yeah, that looks good. Isn't that neat?